Hi. The Voxel Skin Modifier is now available for free on BlendKit, formerly BlenderKit. It has also been improved to make it easier to use. First, you need to install the latest BlendKit add-on, which is a fantastic library of free and paid resources, such as materials, brushes, models, node groups, HDRIs, and add-ons. In the search panel, select Node Groups and search for Voxel Skin. This is a node group in the form of a modifier, with the most important functions easily accessible. Drag it onto an object. The Add Node Group window will appear. Select As Modifier and click OK. By default, a uniform thickness is set, the Attribute to Radius checkbox is set to False, and you set the radius value using Unified Radius. Use the Length slider to set the density of the points along the line. The lower the value, the denser the point distribution, the better the line. However, let's try creating different thicknesses, which will make more sense when working with a base mesh. We'll model a simple silhouette starting with a single vert and add a mirror modifier. Find Voxel Skin and apply it to our model. As you can see, due to the lack of thickness, it didn't attach it to the model but added a cube instead. However, all we need to do is assign Voxel Skin to our model and delete the cube. We'll select one of these attributes for the thickness. As you can see, after checking the Attribute to Radius checkbox, the mesh is no longer visible because the Vertex Crease value is 0. Let's select a vertex and assign it a mean Vertex Crease value. Now the fun begins. I've assigned a custom shortcut for faster manipulation of Vertex Crease. I'll provide details in the video description. Let's give it a head. And now the eyes. We'll assign the vertex group to the eyes, which will allow us to cut out holes, and will enable the Boolean option. Now we need to densify the mesh a bit so the effect is more pronounced. Let's reduce the size of the eyes and add a mouth. Length. Surface smooth. Boolean. Attribute to Radius. Unified Radius. Radius multiplier. Now let's change the radius attribute from Vertex Crease to Vertex Bevel. You can assign any other attribute, but I recommend that it be distributed across the vertices. Thanks for watching. Let me know what you think or if you have any feedback, and feel free to subscribe and check out the rest of the channel. Cheers!